These are algebraic expressions. Among them, some are polynomials and some are not. These are polynomials and these are not polynomials. In this video, we will learn more about polynomials. Let us first look at these expressions. They are not polynomials. Why? In this expression, one of the indices of x is -2. In 1 plus 1 over x, or 1 plus x to the power -1, the index of x is -1. For y plus square root of y, which is also equal to y plus y to the power half, one of the indices of y is half. These algebraic expressions contain negative or fractional indices. Therefore, they are not polynomials. Now let's look at these expressions. They are polynomials. Why? -3x plus 2 can be written as -3x to the power 1 plus 2 times x to the power of 0. So the index of x is 1 and 0. In 4x squared plus x minus 0.7, the indices of x are 2, 1, and 0. In this expression in y, the indices of y are 3, 2, and 1. We say these are polynomials because the indices of x or y are integers that are more than or equal to 0. Let's look at the polynomials again. In -3x plus 2, the highest index of x is 1. We say it is a polynomial of degree 1, or a linear polynomial. In the second expression here, the indices of x are 1 and 2. 2 is the highest index. We say it is a polynomial of degree 2, or a quadratic polynomial. In this polynomial in y, the indices of y are 1, 2, and 3. So the largest index of y is 3. We say this is a degree 3 polynomial, or a cubic polynomial. How about the constant 12? Is 12 a polynomial? 12 can be written as 12 times x to the power 0. The index of x is 0. We say the constant 12 is a special polynomial with degree 0. So what is the degree of a polynomial? It is the largest index of x or y in the polynomial. A polynomial can have a different number of terms. Let's look at this polynomial. You know now that the degree of this polynomial is 3, because the highest index of x is 3. Can you see that there are 4 terms in this polynomial? X to the power 3 term, the x squared term, the x term, and the constant term, where x is to the power 0. Can you see that all terms of this polynomial have a number in front of them? We call them the coefficient of the term. Look at the number in front of x to the power 4. We say that the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 3. Likewise, 2/3 is the coefficient of x cubed. The coefficient of x squared is -1. There is no x term in the polynomial. The coefficient of x is 0. -2 is the constant term. This is the term where x is to the power 0. Therefore, the coefficient of x to the power 0 is -2. So, in a polynomial, the coefficient of a term is the number, with its sign, in front of powers of x. Let us practice. Can you tell whether this is a polynomial? Let's check. You can see that among the powers of x, there is a term where x has the power -2. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. What about this expression? Let's check. You can see that the indices of y are 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are positive integers. It is a polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest index of y is 4. Therefore, it is a polynomial of degree 4. What is the coefficient of y cubed? Negative square root of 2. What is the constant term? It is 2.